Hello guys, I finally ordered the Sharkset, and in this video I will make unboxing of it. This is the version for Xiaomi Pro 2 here, and I will make some comparison with the Monorin parts I left off, because I sold the actual Monorim, but I've still got some parts, like the little red shock you will see here, and the instruments I will compare. There is a big difference even in the instruments. Sharkset has big quality instruments and Monorim is China trash instruments, even the instruments. That speaks out for the quality of the both suspensions too. Monorim is not bad, but is lower. So here we go. Of course I already opened it, but decided to make a video for you guys. So here, when you open the box, you will see the springs. The medium springs are already mounted. There is hard, which are this. They are kind of more fat. Medium is thinner, and then not. This is soft. You can't even with hand a little. The others cannot move with hand. The only thing I don't like is these sheets. No, I really like it, the LED version, but it's only max 9 max 30, and as I heard, they removed the LEDs and they are very beautiful. I don't need the lighting, but the look is better. So here I take it off. Here you don't need anything but these sticks. Here is the actual suspension. This is very cool, but I think it's kind of fragile. It's like that, and when you can't destroy it, I'm sure. Can't explain in English, but it's fragile. Maybe spare part with 3D print. It's good idea. It's very cool Sharkset logo. Okay, we take this here. Suspension already mounted medium springs. You can't move them with hand, so I'm not sure which ones I will mount, the softer or these ones, because I really want soft ride. I was having Monorim with X shock, and it was not soft, very hard, even on 30 PCI, the X shock mounted on Monorim. So I decided to go on springs. Here is the actual suspension. As you see, it's kind of cool. Even the Sharkset logo is very cool, by the way. You can see it's very massive. Double. This is the main frame, and it's very massive, more than the Monorim. The other parts are maybe like the Monorim, but I'm not sure. This is the massive part. I think this is maybe a little broader than the Monorim. Okay, maybe a little. These are the springs. So here, this is the suspension. The idea is how I decided this is fragile. You have this this thing here with just two bolts, which are very thin. And here, see, when you make this with your scooter, it may, in some bordure or somewhere, it can suck and be destroyed. This will be destroyed. This will be whole, and you cannot attach it again. That's my idea. So I'm not sure this is the best. And then you will be like this. By the way, when you take it out, something that I found out, when you take it out the box, you will see that it's already whole. You can put it on your scooter very easy. You don't have one cons. You don't have the bearings. Monorin have spare bearings and old parts here. You don't have this bolt and the bearings. No bearings with this Sharkset. But that's not problem for me, because I have from the Monorin one. I saved my bearings that came with Monorin, plus I have my original bearings from Pro 2. So here you need bearings. I mean, it's very easy to install. You just take your fork out of your Pro 2. Then you just need to put your tire here, your motor here, 2 bolts, nothing more, just 2 bolts here. You take this in first you put the bearings and the other parts which are not hard, and then you just need to put 1 bolt here and everything is done. Very easy to install. Here is the whole thing, no need to touch it. That's all for now. So here you have the the thing that I don't like. You have spare. I don't like this. The LED lights was very cool, even when they are not lighting. See, this thing stays here. This thing stays here, and on the place of the LEDs, which was showing Sharkset logo, I'm in love with it, but here no Sharkset logo. This thing is not better, but the community voted that they don't like the LEDs, so this is the other thing, plus this. I don't think this is better. The other thing I think is why it's not red. I tried to take this out, but it's not going nowhere. It should be red, but I will see. So here you don't have anything more than a little bolts more to add these things. Here 1, 2, 3, there are 4 bolts for each part, so here must be 8 bolts. Hop, no need for now. Even now instrument. And they have a box. The Monorin, nothing like that. 1 second, I don't know. I will do it with one hand. So here, see, very big quality. I will explain why. When I bought the Monorin, first time you take off the wheel bolt, it's very, very hard, and the Monorin instrument like this. It's very big shit. I will show. And didn't work it out. Here is the Monorin sheets. I haven't had the two. I tested everything with Monorin, trust me. Before I go to Shock, which was kind of expensive for me, but I was Shock or nothing. So here is the Monorin instrument. It's very bad quality. You can see that happened almost instantly when you try to take off your wheel first time. It's good and you can't take it off easy every time. I mean, sometimes it's work out. So even the instruments are shits. See, I was having problems. It's bigger, it's not exact the number 18. Not good. See this is you can see better quality. I think maybe those are better quality too compared to the Monorim ones, but I didn't save them on the Monorim. I have very very much of this. Plus I have mine, which are stainless steel. I don't know this what material are. I have mine all times. So we can compare with me. I can compare for you. Let me just pack the instruments like they was up. I forgot. Compare the springs and the Monorim little trash, very big trash shock compared to this big one. Cool, very good. See now, this is the version 1. Noisy, bad quality, shit. $5 maximum $5 is this shit. Noisy and very bad quality. See, it's thinner. I mean, in this, it's just one and thinner. Not the spring, I mean the whole thing. It's thinner, and that's all. It's just one. Not good. Then I bought this bike one. That's it's okay. That it's working with Monorim, but was very hard. And it was $6. See, even $6 one is a very big, same quality, by the way. This is the original Monorim one. This is $6 shock. The only problem is that this spring is very border, very fat, not working. 100 is not working. Maybe 30. One maybe 300. So these are not very good. I will take back in. For old story, for me, never again. Tested version 2, version 3, version 4, 1. 1 second. Okay, this is a little bit better. But still very bad compared to Shock, Air Shock, A5 Air Shock 165 millimeters. This is 150. Whoa, See, very little suspension. See, little space. When you're on the scooter, you lose like to here, and nothing to jump. Little to jump. 1 second. You can't make. See, it's a little bit noisy. Top. Little bit noisy when you ride. Just compare this little thing. Really compare this to this. It look bigger because it's over it. See, the reality is this. Really big shit. Plus this is shit, believe me. Don't do my mistake. Okay, we put this back in. I really wanted to show you, that's why I let myself 1 second to put it in again. Believe me, it's not better solution. This red shit, everybody knows this. The professional riders say this is the Monorin shit. Everyone that ride with air shock or spring shock, which is kinda medium, at least medium quality. Not like this $6. This is medium quality. This is very low quality, and that's all for now. I can't compare nothing more. The suspension actually of Monorin is not that bad, but the shocks are very bad. And when you take it out of the box, you need fender supports, you need lots of things. So not very cool, believe me. You need bolts, which are sometimes you need to find yourselves. Here is nothing, just that one bolt here, 2 bolts here. You have them on the scooter and everything is over. Bye bye. And here you're very complex. So that's all. Thanks for watching. That was all for now. I will make another video. It will be very hard for me to make a video mounting it, because I can't make the video. I need my hands for mount. So probably I will just add it and will make a video how it stay on the scooter. I think this will be pretty cool. Thanks for watching. See ya later, and don't forget to subscribe. I have very much upgrades on Xiaomi Pro 2, and we will have everything if I don't have it at the moment. Goodbye.